Hi, I'm Tiki Bar Sam, and we're at Sam's Tiki Bar. And what are we gonna make today? We're gonna make a green Hawaiian, like a blue Hawaiian, but it's green. So I bought a bottle of Midori to make it green. It's infused with Japanese melons. I just read that, but it is a melon liqueur. Let's see what it tastes like. So, what are we gonna do today? We're gonna first put in 2 ounces of coconut rum. And any drink that starts off with 2 ounces of coconut rum is aces in my book. So here we go. We're 2 ounces. All right. Exciting. I have to put the lid on. Look, I have a glass shaker. We'll see if that works today. 2 ounces of sweet and sour. All right, we're going to put that in there for the 2 ounces of sweet and sour. 2 ounces of pineapple juice. Check this out. Boom. And then what we're going to do is we're going to put in 1 ounce of Midori. Here it comes. He's got this. Excited to try it. Hard to open because it's new. 1 ounce. Okay, it's 1 ounce-ish. Okay, and now we have to shake it. Look, it's clear. Let's see what happens. Okay, my hand is cold. It's definitely green. Strainer here. Now look, got the hurricane cup again with the pebble ice. Wow. Looks pretty good. Let's see what it tastes like. This is light and refreshing. It's got a pina colada vibe because it's got the coconut rum in it. I could drink this all day. This is delicious. This is simple to make. It's only 4 ingredients. Pineapple juice, Midori, rum, sweet and sour mix. Yes, please. This is awesome. What movie am I going to recommend today? Forgetting Sarah Marshall. It takes place in Hawaii. So, what better drink to have? The Green Hawaiian and Forgetting Sarah Marshall as a movie backup. Yes, please. Awesome. So, this is Tiki Bar Sam, and I'm wishing you a happy Friday and a great weekend. And I hope to see you next weekend. Okay, bye-bye.